Assalamualaikum and hi uh, to all my acquaintance and especially our lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Fauzi. Today I would like to talk about our topic in study, the creativity and innovation in improving Amazon productivity. Okay. My part is abstract, introduction and background study. Now I will start with abstract. Okay. Basically, our topic is about how to improve the productivity in the Amazon company. Okay, creativity and innovations are the crucial parts of generating new ideas and to improve goods and services for customer satisfaction. It helps us open our minds and let us view a bigger picture thanks to the innovation that allows us to make this come true. The objective of this paper is to propose solutions for service companies by identifying the main problems, causes of the problems, and proposing a better solution. Amazon company has been selected for our case study. Based on this diagram chart, Amazon's major problem is their fulfillment system. Their shipping system is far more complex and convoluted than any other major delivery companies. From the study, 5 main causes which contribute to low productivity in the company, which are: number 1, Amazon's complex system; number 2, various competitions; number 3, antitrust matters; and number 4, growth concerns. 11 solutions have been proposed to the company for further improvement. Based on the ranks on the listed solution, 4 priority solutions have been identified, namely: number 1, marketing and advertising; second one, unified commerce; third one, cross-industry solutions; and fourth, product development. From the outcomes of the study, it is hoped that it can be a guideline for service companies, especially in the delivery industry, on how they can further improve their business process through the adoption of 4 stages of creativity. Okay, now we move to the introductions. Okay. Through the act of creative thinking, a person might come with a unique, unexpected, and useful solution to a problem. Creativity is very important to distinguish between good ideas and bad ideas. These 4 stages of creativity are crucial to the advancement of any field or technology. Identifying issues, coming up with solutions, refining end product, and executing are the 4 stages of creativity that will be covered in this topic. The issues presented by the Amazon company, as per mentioned after this topic, will be solved using these 4 stages of creativity. As a big 5 amongst American companies, I reckon Amazon must contend with cutting-edge technologies. Though to compete with other same company, they require a very high level of creativity and innovation. Also, they can solve the major problems in the company using this 4 stages of creativity. And now is the background of study. Amazon.com is an online retailer, ebook reader maker, and web services provider that has become synonymous with electronic commerce. The company's headquarters are located in Seattle, Washington. Amazon.com is a massive internet-based company that sells books, music, movies, housewares, electronic toys, and variety of other items directly or as an intermediary between other shops and Amazon.com's millions of consumers. Its web services division rents out data storage and processing power via the internet, a practice known as cloud computing. Amazon.com has such strong online presence that in 2012, 1% of all internet traffic in North America passed via their data centers. The firm also produces the best-selling Kindle ebook readers on the market. Amazon.com promotion of these devices has resulted in substantial increase in ebook production, transforming the company into a key disruptor in the book publishing industry. Bezos, on the other hand, dismissed critics as lacking an appreciation of the internet's huge development potential. He believed that a firm required to get a big fast to flourish as an as an internet shop, a motto he had printed on the staff t-shirts. In reality, Amazon.com grew quickly with 180,000 client accounts by December 1996, following its first full year of operation, and 1 million customer accounts less than a year later in October 1997. Its earnings increased from 15.7 million in 1996 to 148 million in 1997, then 608 million in 1998. The success of Amazon.com prompted its founder to be named in the Times Magazine's Person of the Year in 1999. In other sectors, the corporation grew quickly. Amazon.com Associate Program, which allowed other websites to sell items and Amazon.com to fulfill the order and pay a fee. Went from one site in 1996 to over 350,000 websites to sell items by 1999. Following Bezos' initial approach, the firm swiftly expanded beyond the book sales. In 1998, sales of music and video began. In the same year, it expanded internationally by acquiring online bookstores in the United Kingdom and Germany. By 1999, the firm had expanded to include consumer electronics, video games, software, home improvement goods, toys and games, and a variety of other products. Amazon.com needed more than just a private investor to keep the expansion going. As a consequence, Amazon.com became a public corporation in 1997. Less than 2 years after opening its virtual doors to consumers, and without ever making a profit, raising 54 million in the Nasdaq market. In addition to cash, the corporation was able to support its ambitious growth and acquisition plan with its high flight shares.
Hi, I'm SYAZANA BINTI IZHAR. Now we proceed towards the Amazon problems. Based on the table 1, figure 1 shows that the top problems faced by Amazon, which is complex, antitrust, competitions, and crew concerns. The Amazon are complete, which a total percentage is higher than others, which is 80%. This is because the issue comes out, which is map issue, tax setup, part-time employee, and the reviews their management. So Amazon, which the clients go from having one part-time employee managing their Amazon programs to dedicating their experienced teams and bringing in agency once they start to see the sale potential in the channel. Besides that, there's a lot of competitions in Amazon because certain industry on Amazon, nutrition, supplements, and electronics, for example, are very saturated. It is difficult to enter the marketplace and secure the market share. Increasing the competition from new sellers in their category is a challenge we often heard from the brands. So, the Amazons will compete with the other brands to bring in their name towards around the world. Now we go to the antitrust matters. The antitrust matter reportedly, however, a probe of Amazon could extend to beyond just it marketable, which has been criticized by some lawmakers and regulators as unfair, is due to role both managing the marketplace and competing with third-party sellers. So this is the issue whereby the antitrust matter is reported. So the lastly is the growth concerns. The growth concerns about Amazons are worried if not being able to gain a market comparable to Microsoft as well.
Okay, in here I want to explain about causes of issue on Amazon company. For the first issue, that's Amazon company is a complex. One of the cases that Amazon at this time is the total percentage is 80%, followed by profitability is not guaranteed. And there are some of the reason why profitability on Amazon company is not guaranteed. For the first reason, that's leverage. Leverage is the use of assets and source of the fund by companies that have fixed costs to increase the profit of shareholders. This has a significant negative effect to profitability. For the second reason, that's liquidity. Liquidity is a company ability to meet its obligation, which can also be used to show the company financial position or wealth. This has a significant effect on profitability of a company. For the third reason, that's total asset turnover. Total asset turnover, that's a measure company ability to generate sales from its total asset by comparing net sales with average total asset, and this has a significant positive effect on profitability of company. For the fourth reason, that's company size. Company size is a scale or variable that describes the size of company based on several provisions, such total assets, lot size, market value, shares, total asset, total income, total capital, and other have a positive effects on profitability companies. And the last is inaccurate decision making by company management. For the second issue, that's a lot of competition. Why this issue can be happen? Because of innovation. Innovation are so constantly evolving. Business competition other than that which occurs because of someone running a business in the same field can also be caused by several things. The third issue, that's Amazon company implement an antitrust system, because monopoly market can lead to economy power, and there are some effects from monopoly market, that's harassment of the position of consumers in the market. Gaps in revenue sharing monopoly company can earn the tremendous profit in the short and long term. And the absence of competition due to the absence of market competition. And for a less causes of issue, that's a growth concern. Causes of concern for Amazon corporate growth, thus a company must be spend billions of dollars to hiring workers, paying higher wages, and all to ensure that supply release won't disrupt production. And Amazon company said operating income may be increased, which a setback for a company that has made $1 billion in a profit every quarter since early 2018. And Amazon say that areas of growth and high spending in area like wages and new warehouse will be continued. For the next material, that will be explained by my friends. Thank you.
Okay, my name is ROHMA with matric numbers DP210082. I will presentation about recommended solution. Recommended solution. Companies in the media and entertainment industry want to provide personalized media recommendation to their consumer to optimize the customer experience. Personalized recommendation solution built on the foundation of Amazon personalized with customization to satisfy media and entertainment specific recommendation use case. Using this solution, companies can build personalization experience that meet customer expectation and retain customer engagement, resulting in better lifetime value for each customer. Solution for advertising and marketing. 1. Audience segmentation and targeting. Advertising and marketing data scientists need to understand customer behavior, predict purchase intent, and model audience segment to drive personalized experience across channels. With audience segmentation and targeting solution, you can apply cloud-based analytics and machine learning to reduce time spent on data engineering and pre-processing and improve model accuracy and price performance for scaled data volumes. 2. Customer Recommended 60. As the customer packaged goods CPG, industry shift a direct-to-consumer approach. Their marketing team and overwhelmed by the volume of information around consumer product and demand, like WhatsApp inquiries, product versus, and customer super tickets. Consumer dissolution can make it easier for marketing teams to consolidate and use this data so they can better execute advertising, next action, category engagement, and merchandising. Personalization. Customer today have become familiar with marketing interaction that are personalized for them. Whether it is customized emails in their inbox or direct interaction on a website, with personalization solution on AWS, consumer packaged good or CPG organization can run look alike and propensity modeling across 1P and partner data set to identify audience for retention and acquisition opportunities in order to grow relationship. Is product development. First, computer-aided engineering. High performance computing atau HPC allow product developers and engineer at consumer packaged good atau CPG companies to solve complex problem using model-based design and large scale parallel simulation using the computer-aided engineering solution on AWS. Companies can create production-ready environment for simulation and analysis workloads. With this solution, teams can accelerate time to result and time to market by running larger number of parallel tasks than would be possible is most on-premises environment. 2. Product lifecycle management. Consumer goods and consumer packaged goods. Companies benefit from technologies that help boost communication and efficiency across internal and external teams. Product lifecycle management atau PLM solution on AWS help industry manufacturers improve time to market by increasing the performance of PLM workflows across global remote time using a single person of revenues by bringing innovative products to market fast. Next, unified commerce. First, contact center modernization. Building strong relationship with customer and driving direct sales are fundamental to the consumer packaged goods industry. Contact center modernization solution on AWS help CPG companies strengthen their customer engagement with advanced cloud-based call center technologies. With this solution, companies can enhance their brand aspiration, improve customer interaction, increase flexibility, and drive down costs by operating in the cloud. Direct-to-consumer e-commerce. Consumer packaged goods. Companies know the importance of alternative offers, building the relationship with consumer and driving direct sales through integrated e-commerce system. The direct-to-consumer e-commerce solution on AWS can help companies migrate existing e-commerce system to the cloud and take advance to modern, cost-effective cloud service. With the solution, CPG companies can quickly implement changes, scale up and down more readily, and ensure the best overall customer experience. Next, cross-industry solution. First, demand planning. Companies want to accurately understand and predict consumer demand of products so they can rapidly and proactively change their inventory strategies. The intelligent automation for demand planning solution use advanced deep learning algorithm to predict demand based on historical, internal, and external demand signal. This solution increase demand planning accuracy by up to 40% and can reduce excess inventory by up to 15%, resulting in greater agility as well as cost saving. Second, commercial revenue planning. It is important for business to understand the impact of price, promotion, product mix, channel, and consumer demand on revenue. The intelligent automation for commercial revenue planning solution improve staff productivity by reducing the time required for what I planning by 50% and driving cost saving by helping to reduce promotion costs by up to 2%. This solution help optimize commercial investment allocation, increase trade promotion effectiveness, and improve forecast accuracy. Third, modernization. Enterprise seeking to modernize their operation are looking for efficient method to calculate total cost of ownership and oversee identity and access management. The intelligent automation for modernization solution help transform this complex, laborious, and time-consuming manual operation with actionable guidance, for example, from application modernization, hub centralizing, and collection of building data as well as other metrics. This solution can support up to 75% cost saving after modernization. And the last, fourth, knowledge management. Companies are seeking to use data to uncover hidden insight for the business initiative. The intelligent automation for knowledge management solution have driven innovation through the use of structurable machine, the work within company existing data, avoid duplication, and improve availability of insight. This solution unlock the value of data through the automation of knowledge generation and creation of knowledge graph that reveal hidden relationship. I think that's all. Thank you very much.
Hi and hello everyone. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is VENESSA JUMBAU ANAK GERUKA and my metric number is CP210041. Today I would like to present about the improving Amazon. So we're gonna proceed about to evaluate the priority of the solution. So the evaluate external customer needs. What is the external customer needs? So it involves of key the stakeholder including the business and development and operation teams. It's to determine where is focus to our the effort external the customer needs. So this will ensure that we have a true understanding of the operation supported and the achieve of your business outcome. So the second point is about here is the evaluate internal customer needs. So it involves of the key stakeholder also including the business development and operation teams. It is the focus we ensure that we have true understanding of the operations supports of them is going to achieve business outcome also. So the third point is about from here is also that manage benefit of risks. So manage benefits and risks to make the informed decision determine where is the focus efforts. So as for examples, it might benefits to involve the or cover the unresolved issues, so that significance to manufacturers to make the available to customers. So it might be the possible to mitigate of associated risk, or it become unacceptable to allow risk of remains. It is in case they will take actions to address the risks. Next, as you can see in the diagram, there are metric analysis scores. They also have the existing market and the new markets. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, now we proceed to discussions. This case study has been explained the details about how the Amazon face the problem and how the problems comes out and the issue and the solutions. And by this case study, we will be able to analyze using the 4 stages of creativity and using histogram charts, which is to show the problems and manage shows the large factors and do a comparison between the type of problem that is mostly faced by the Amazon. Besides that, using audience segmentations and targeting solutions in Amazon, And consumer 360, which is being able to communicate with customer, personalizations, demand planning on how to target in the market world and how to getting a best result, and the commercial review planning, modernizations, and knowledge the management company, which is can build a personalization experience that meet customer expectation and retain the customer engagements. The resulting is better to lifetime for value each customer. Furthermore, based on the matrix analysis, which is what they appear in figure 8, the result shows the trade needs is commerce victory is empowered by shared objective and understanding the partner, counting trade, advancement, clients, operation group, audit commerce objective, which is these are be able to getting out the good experience and be able to improve their products. Thank you. Now we are going to the last part of the case study, which is conclusions. To conclude that the method used in this case study are be able to identify the problem faced by the Amazons and how to overcome it by finding the solutions. Business should be more innovative, more willing to the experiment, and have a better use to abstract thinking if they want to be a successful and innovation in the global framework of principles. Okay, in Amazon, we can see that Amazon approaches the innovations which comes out with a global framework of principle, which is a leadership principle. Is to set the framework for Amazon innovation environment because to balance the innovations, creativity with process development. The creativity and innovations applied the Amazon company will create the successful in business and meets the customer demand as well. And most importantly is the encouragement of innovations lead to the growth market around the world. Now, that's all for our group, and I would like to say thank you to Dr. Fauzi for spending your time to hear our presentations. Thank you.